Hey everyone, welcome back to Cooking with TK. Today you guys, I have prepared some delicious air fryer pork chops in my Ninja Foodi. If you guys would like to know how I made these wonderful delicious pork chops in my Ninja Foodi that are cooked all the way through under the tender crisp lid, which is equal to a regular air fryer, then this is the video for you. I'm going to give you step by step. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Everyone go ahead and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified each and every time I upload a video. Let's get into this video. Okay, everyone. So the first thing I'm going to show you is all the ingredients that you will need to make air fryer pork chops. You will need 2 to 3 pounds of pork chops. I have some Louisiana AirFryer chicken mix, but I'm going to use them for my pork chop coating, the breading, okay? And remember, you're going to need 2 to 3 pounds per patch. There's 72 packs in that box. Here I have thin pork chops. These are the pork chops that do not have the bones in them. Like I stated, they are very thin. You know, some would call them breakfast pork chops. I'm going to use some granulated garlic. I'm going to use some ground black pepper, and I'm going to use a packet of the Zazon seasoning, okay? Also, I'm going to use some oil, a mist of oil spray. This is extra virgin olive oil, and you're going to need 1 egg beaten, and I have already pre-mixed my seasonings. I used about a half a tablespoon of each seasoning and the whole pack of the Zazon seasoning. Okay, here I have 1 pack out of the air fryer chicken breader mix that I'm going to use on my pork chops, the Louisiana, and that's what the pack looks like. It's small, but it gives 72 servings in that box, and I got that box from Sam's. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do, you guys, is I'm going to season my pork chops. Make sure that you season your chops very well, generously. I did not add any extra salt because the Zazon seasoning has salt in it, and I'm pretty sure that the breading has seasoning in it as well. Okay, you guys, this is my first time using this breader mix. I have previously used the fish breader for my air fryer, but not the Louisiana chicken breader mix, so this will be my first time using it, you guys. Okay. So I'm going to flip my pork chops over to the other side, and I'm going to season the other side as well. Make sure that you season both sides of your pork chops if you want them to have some good flavor. Okay, and I also added just a little more black pepper because that's who I am. I like that black pepper flavor. And if you want your chops to have a little bit more red coating to it than just with the Zazon, go ahead and just add you a little paprika. Add you about 2 teaspoons of paprika. Okay, so now after we get both sides of our pork chops seasoned very well with the garlic powder, the black pepper, and the Zazon seasoning by Goya, we are going to get ready to bread our chops. Now the seasoning that I have left over, I am going to mix it in with my Louisiana chicken fry mix, and I'm going to give that a stir so that it can get into the seasoning, chicken breader seasoning. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my pork chops, I'm going to dunk it into my beaten egg, which is an egg wash. Shake any excess egg wash off after you have dunked your pork chops in. Lay your pork chop into your breader mix. Now you can roll it on a plate. You can place your breader mix in a bag, or you can do it like I am going to do here. I'm going to place it into this pan, and then I am going to put a lid over my pan, and I'm going to go ahead and I am going to shake my pork chops, as you see here, after I place the lid on the pan. I had to go wash my hands, you guys. So now, shake, 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 shake. Shake your pork chops. Shake those pork chops. Yeah. Shake, shake, shake. And you want to shake them really, really good to get the coating all over your chops. So now let's get ready to place our chops in our Ninja Foodi. Please pre-spray your tender crisp basket. Okay, that's what I'm using. This basket here, it comes with your Ninja Foodi. And we are going to use our tender crisp lid. For the thin pork chops that I have, I'm only going to place 3 in because I don't want to overcrowd my Ninja Foodi. I want to make sure that they all get cooked evenly. If you can fit more than 3 in, then go ahead. Now go ahead and spray the top of your pork chop with a mist of oil. It doesn't matter what type of oil you use. You can use vegetable oil in the can. You can use canola oil in the can. I'm using extra virgin olive oil, okay? Close your tender crisp lid like so. Power on your Ninja Foodi, okay? Hit the power on button. And go ahead and hit your tender crisp lid. Don't do what I did, just went straight for the temp, okay? Turn your temperature up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit on your Ninja Foodi. And we are going to put this on 7 minutes. We are going to cook each side for about 7 minutes, okay? As you can see here, I had it on 8, but it really doesn't need to cook but about 7 minutes per side, okay? So now after the first 7 minutes, we're gonna go in and we are going to get ready to flip our chops over. As you can see, they are cooking. And you see the beautiful colors that the pork chops have on them. Ooh-wee. You guys, trust me, I really did like this on my thin chops. And it turned out well. Just be careful when you're turning them over because since it's not completely done, the coating will come off, okay? So you don't want the coating to fall off yet because you want it to cook so that it gets nice and crisp. And here I'm going to spray the side one more time with just a little bit of the EVOO. And we're going to go back in for another 7 minutes on our tender crisp lid. Okay, we're going to go ahead and we're going to make sure that our temperature is at 400 degrees again. And we are going to cook the other side for up to 7 minutes. Now, depending on your pork chops, it may take less than 7 minutes. And voila, after 7 minutes, we have us some delicious, crispy, air fryer pork chops in our Ninja Foodi. This is a Ninja Foodi recipe, you guys. So this video is for all of my Ninja Foodies and all of my air fryer people. We have us some delicious air fryer pork chops. I'm going to go ahead, you guys, and get ready to take these out. Being careful as to not burn myself. I want you guys to see that, see how crispy it turned out. And let me go ahead and plate these pork chops so that you guys can see the final product once I'm finished with all of our pork chops. And here we have it, you guys. All of our pork chops are done. They turned out delicious. They were cooked all the way through. They were not too hard. It wasn't dried out. If you want to cook it for a less minute, you can do 5 minutes per side. But I like for my crispy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Share, like, comment. See you in the next video. Peace.